Good morning. Jeff and Mary with Eternity Shore. It is quite a bit windy today, but we are going to go out for a while and just anchor out, try to find a space that's protected from the wind a bit, maybe across from Hart-Miller Island. This would be our first official season 5 on purpose, going out, trying to have a good day on the water. So the weather is idyllic except for the wind. So I think we're ready to go. We're going to start up the engines. I'm having a hard time with the starboard engine, so I just want to take note of that as we start it to make sure that those batteries or starboard side batteries charge up enough. So here we go. Okay, that was weird. It started up right away. But like really fast. Just as a reminder for some of you, the manifolds and risers have been replaced on both those engines, in addition to the spark plugs and the caps and the wires. It's been running, I think, pretty smooth since that time. All right, we'll set up a couple cameras and get going. I think we're going to leave some of the isinglass up. I'm sure it's going to pull us forward, so don't have to worry about the mid. Probably going to blow us into our neighbor. Do quickly. I'm not waiting around for the wind.
You know I'm not able to retrieve the fender. I'm not able to pull up the fenders.
Right now, that's fine. Totally fine.
Great.
You mean this side? Yeah. Totally fine. When we get blown down the river. So as we head towards the Chesapeake, we're just basically being blown there. The wind is right behind us. Yeah, it'd be quite a bit windy when we get out there. Plane already. Alright, we're up on plane, which took us like 2 seconds because we were with a 10-mile-an-hour wind. This is a little faster than I usually go. So far, so good. Except for that cobweb out in the front of the boat, which you'll be seeing in the video. So good. Except for that cobweb out in the front of the boat, which you'll be seeing in the video. Now, once we turn, the wind is going to be at our starboard. Kind of looking for a place to anchor that isn't too windy. Once we turn, the wind is going to be at our starboard. Just kind of looking for a place to anchor that isn't too windy. It is still pretty windy, but we managed to sneak right around the corner, right by the golf course here, and drop anchor. But otherwise, it's a beautiful day. But you could see, I don't know if you can see, but down there, the water's moving really fast. We just came right around the corner from Hawks Cove. Fall boating.
Spring boating.
Early summer boating.